Good morning, everyone. This is Sue from Sue's Paper Creations, and today I have for you guys a fabulous little multi-colored glossy card that I did on my Make It Monday Facebook Live this morning at 8. So if you don't already follow me on Facebook, I do a Facebook Live tutorial every morning at 8 a.m. on Sue's Paper Creations. So I will put that link in my description below. And then you guys can follow and you can start watching my live tutorials. They're a lot of fun. Those who share and comment, this week they are earning these white perfect accents. So I always have a little giveaway on my Facebook Live. So I'd love for you guys to join me live on Monday morning. So what I'm going to do now though is I'm going to create the card that I did this morning, and I want to show you guys how you can use your Stamparatus to achieve this glossy effect on any image that you stamp. This card was just fitting for this time of year. Right now in Victoria, so I'm coming to you from Victoria, BC, and all of the trees are changing colors, dropping their leaves. It is absolutely gorgeous, and this is what inspired this card that I am making for you guys today. So the featured stamp set is Sheltering Tree. And for some of you, you love the Lovely as a Tree. For me, Sheltering Tree is my tree set. I love it because you can make it any occasion and you can make it any season. And these leaves, what you can do with them is really, really pretty. So I want to share with you the fall version. I will be posting on my Facebook page some of the other seasons that I have done in the coming week. So if you want to check those out, you can. But let's get started with this one today. So for a base of a card, I am going to be using So Saffron. Then I have got a 3x3 piece of Whisper White, and then a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 piece of Early Espresso. So those are the only papers that you're going to need today. Now I did cut out of copper this beautiful leaf, and that is from the Rooted by Nature bundle. There is in the thinlits, there's this gorgeous little leaf, and I just thought that was a perfect addition to this card. So that is out of our copper foil paper, and we are going to get started with the base of this card. So to start with, what you want to do is you want to put basically the tree without any leaves on it. So we're just doing the base of that tree, and I'm going to start with Early Espresso. I'm going to bring in my mat here because we are using photopolymer stamps, and you want to make sure that you have that extra bit of cushion underneath when you are stamping with photopolymer. Okay, I'm going to ink up my Early Espresso just like that. Thank you guys for checking this video out. I always love doing Facebook Lives on Monday because for me, I love to start my week off crafting, and I love sharing all my crafty creations with everybody. So it just puts me in a great mood for the rest of the week. So I hope that this video inspires you to get into your craft room and do something crafty this week. Now I'm going to bring in my Pear Pizzazz, and I'm going to add, this stamp set has all these adorable little features that you can stamp and add to your tree. It's like you're creating your own scenic view. And so this is a little hill. It can also be used for snow. You can do it brown and it looks like dirt. You can layer it up so you kind of have multi-hills. For today, I'm just doing the one little green one. And then I'm going to bring in the big stamp, and I'm going to bring in some Cajun Craze. And I just want a little bit of leaves to kind of, I like it to go off and follow kind of in this area, just like that, just to add some beautiful detail in the back of the card. Now, again, we're using these as leaves, but they can also be used as snow, cherry blossoms. I have done a card actually with just stamping this stamp all around with a saying, and it looks like confetti. So, you know, you really do have to look at your stamps in different ways, because this little image can be used on a lot of different things. Now, before I bring in my Stamparatus, I'm just going to clean off this stamp because we are going to use it again, and I want it nice and clean. I'm using my Stamp and Chamois, or my Simply Chamois. This is awesome. I find it way easier than using the scrub pad, and the nice thing is the ink does not transfer from the pad onto your finger, so it gets locked in there. I'm going to show you one of the bonuses of using it when you have your Stamparatus. Once we bring it in, which here we are. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the Stamparatus, and I think for the video I'm going to do it from the side just because it's easier, so that my camera's not in the way. And I'm going to bring in, we need our mat that comes with the Stamparatus because we're using photopolymer. And I'm going to bring in my grid paper. Now, Stampin' Up! Has just released some accessories for your Stamparatus, and one of those is fabulous grid paper that fits the Stamparatus perfectly. So that is one of the things. They also have replacement magnets now, extra plates, as well as extra foam pads, all the pieces that you would need for replacing anything. Now I'm going to put down my stamp, and here we go. Are you ready for the magic? Here we go. We are going to attach it to the plate. Oh, hold on. I need to put that down a little bit more. There. Now let's just make sure that's in the right spot. Yep, it is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink up my beautiful leaves. And what I'm doing just off the screen here is I'm inking them up. The first color I am using is Crushed Curry, so I'm going to put that down as the base color. Okay, so there is the beautiful Crushed Curry on there. Now what I'm going to do, and I want to actually I'm going to actually just pull the plate off so you guys can see how I ink this up. Okay, I am taking my Cajun Craze, and I am just going to roll it around the outside of the stamp a little bit. So I'm wanting just a little bit of Cajun Craze around the edges of the tree. Now it doesn't matter that I got a little bit of ink on the plate. That's not going to transfer onto the actual image. It will stay on the plate, so I can wipe that up later. And to release these plates, all you have to do is just pull them to 90 degrees, and then you can pull them in and out. It's another added feature of the Stamparatus, which is nice. So then I can put it back where it was, and let's see how we did. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So now we have got the different colors around. And this is where, again, I'm going to just pull the plate off so that you can see a little bit better, is I'm going to take my Simply Chamois and I'm going to clean off that stamp. And while I'm at it, I might as well wipe up the plates as well here a little bit. But that's going to take it all off. So this is a bonus, is you can just pull it out of the case and you can just squish it onto there. You don't have to worry that you're going to have to try and do that with a scrub pad. It's just, you wouldn't be able to. You'd be moving your stamp, and you don't want to take it off the plate because you want it to stay exactly where it is. So that when it comes to your multicolored stamping, or if you're just making lots of the same card, you don't want to move the placement of your stamps. Okay? So I am bringing in Versamark. This is the key to our beautiful glossy tree. I am going to ink up again those beautiful leaves, but this time in the clear Versamark. And what it will do is it will stamp over those leaves right where they are, but it will put a clear coating on them. Okay? Now, once we have the clear coating, there it is. We are going to dip it into our clear embossing powder. I'm just going to cover it up like that. I love keeping my embossing powder in buckets. It makes it so much easier for crafting. And we have got our tree covered in the powder. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring in the heat tool, and this is where the magic happens, and it gets a little loud. But we're going to bring in the heat tool, and you guys in a second will see. Here we go. You can see how the leaves are now turning glossy, and that is because we have stamped over them with that Versamark, which is the sticky clear ink. And we have added that clear embossing powder. So you can do this with any image that you stamp. And I will be posting some more of these glossy images on my Facebook page coming up this week. So again, that's Sue's Paper Creations if you want to check it out. And this is just a way, using the Stamparatus, another way to use your Stamparatus. And you can turn any image that you stamp into a glossy one. Isn't that beautiful? It just makes the leaves pop off the page there. It adds dimension and a beautiful sheen to them, which is the feature for this card. So I hope you guys like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just finish off by adding a few little details. And this stamp set has some really cute pieces that you can add to your images, like a cute, adorable little rake. This is just a little tiny, a few dots here that I'm going to use to make a pile of leaves. Let's see, let's pick that up there. A pile of leaves at the bottom of our card. So I'm going to pile them up here because this person that's been raking has been working very hard, and we're going to pile them all up here like they have been working for hours, and now they're just taking a break because the rake's just leaning against the tree, but they've been working. Okay, so there is our beautiful image done. Now we're going to bring in the base of the card again, and we're quickly going to finish this off with a little bit of early espresso as a saying, and I'm going to do just thinking of you, just like that. Because this time of year, you do start to think of those. Thanksgiving's just passed, Christmas is coming up, and you do start to think of those people that maybe you haven't connected with for a while. And, you know, it'd be nice to send them a little card in the mail to let them know that you still think of them. So this is the beautiful card for that. So I'm going to add that copper little leaf. Now I'm going to bring in my adhesive here, and I'm just going to add this layer like so. There we go. So I would love to know what you guys think of this quick and easy technique on glossing up all your images. Get out those Stamparatuses and try it out, because I think you guys will be amazed on what you can create with them, with a little embossing powder and a little bit of Versamark. There we go. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in to my Make It Monday. I hope you guys love that card. I hope you guys give it a try. Like I said, get out that clear embossing powder, and just another way that you can use your Stamparatus to create beautiful creations. So I will be posting here at least once a week. If you want to follow my, subscribe to my page or follow me on Facebook, I will put both of the links below, and you guys can join in and see what I do next here. If you're wanting to purchase any of the items that you see today, we have got a host code going on right now. This is my host code, and because October is my birthday, I will be reimbursing shipping till the end of the month. That's October the 31st on any orders that are placed through my online store using the host code, and if they are over $50 before shipping and handling, I will reimburse that shipping cost to you. Also, before I go, and I'm just trying not to move my camera too much here, I want to let you guys know of 24-hour flash sale that Stampin' Up! Is having. So this is important stuff. Today is the 22nd. This sale is just for tomorrow, October the 23rd. So you want to make sure that I'll put my link to my online store below. Click it, check it out. They have got, Stampin' Up! Has turned 30 this year. Big year for them. So they have got a one-day sale of 30 birthday stamp sets that they have put on sale. Let's see here. They're not all birthday, but it is for their birthday. So there's tons and tons of different stamps that you can check out. They're all 15% off. And if your order, remember, if it is over $50, then I will also reimburse your shipping. So that is a huge savings for you guys. That's up to 25%. So check it out. Thank you for tuning in. And I will see you guys next week with my next Make It Monday creation. Okay? Bye for now.